In this video, you will be learning about online shopping and how to keep yourself safe while gift hunting during this festive period and all year round. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. The profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Are you online shopping this festive season? If so, there are some things you should know in order to keep yourself safe while doing so. In this video, we'll go over some information tips that will keep you safe as you go gift hunting. Online shopping has grown in popularity over the past decade or so and can have many benefits for you as a customer. Many brands, even those with physical locations, will offer online exclusive offers and sales. This can save you money, particularly at times of the year when you may be looking to purchase more items than usual. You can also be sure that you will be able to find the product you're looking for and are far less likely to be surprised by a lack of stock. You can also avoid busy locations, which is particularly relevant during this current pandemic, by shopping online. If you're busy too, you are able to have items delivered directly to your door or even to a gift recipient's door. Additionally, it's not only big brand names you can find online. Smaller independent sellers may have their own websites or sell through larger marketplaces such as Etsy, eBay and Amazon. Website authenticity. As with any website, you should check its authenticity before you proceed with browsing or purchasing any items. A quick way to do this is to check whether its connection is secure and the website carries a valid certification. Here's an example using the Connect online shop. First, go to your URL bar. On the far left-hand side, just before the URL address, there should be a little padlock icon. Click on this icon. A drop-down box will appear. Then you should look for the message in green, "Connection is secure." If it does not read this, then it means your connection to the website is not secure and targetable by viruses and malware. It is best in this scenario to not use the website, particularly where handing over your personal and payment details are involved. To further verify the website, look for the certificate option. It should, in brackets beside it, read valid. You can also click on this option and it will reveal details of the certificate. Another detail to look out for can be found in your URL bar. At the beginning of the website's address, look for HTTPS, as this signifies that the website is secure. Payment security. Handing your personal payment details over to a website can be daunting, particularly if you've not done so before. So how do you know if you can trust the payment methods the website is using? Credit and debit cards. Credit and debit cards are likely your go-to method of online payment, so how do you know if a website is safe to use your card with? Similarly to checking the authenticity of the website, you will also know it is a secure website for making payments if your browser recognizes it as a secure website. You can check if it holds a valid certificate and contains the HTTPS in the URL address bar. Most banks will also use two-factor authentication when paying online. This means while paying online, you may be asked security questions, the same which you use with your bank normally, to verify that it is you making the payment. Some websites may ask if you wish to save your payment data, particularly if you've already set up an account. It is advised you do not do this in the case that somebody else may access your account or device. PayPal. PayPal allows you to make an account where you can deposit certain sums of money into your account from your bank. You can also receive money from senders into your PayPal account. For example, if you wish to sell an item on eBay or Etsy and somebody paid you for the item, you could receive the money into your PayPal account. When you decide you want to pay for something online, the website will very likely accept PayPal as a form of payment. You can then log into your account and use your PayPal account to pay instead of paying directly from your credit or debit card. PayPal also monitors transactions for fraud similarly to your bank. You should, however, use an antivirus software on your computer. This means that any virus or malware programmed to seek out your personal payment information will be kept at bay. You should also never use public Wi-Fi when making payments online, logging into your bank account, or while giving any personal information to a website. Now that you've learned about getting started with online shopping, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to shop online safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. In the next video, we will look at online shopping and reviews. If you like this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us. From all of us at Connect, have a Merry Christmas.